Lake Compounce, America's oldest amusement park, and 2026 marks 180 years. 5 roller coaster, including one voted the best wooden coaster in the world. And in this video, you are seeing every single ride in the park. So stick around to figure out whether it's exactly worth it before you buy a ticket.
That's why I probably didn't want to do it. I kind of regret my choice. So you should definitely go on this. Guys, look at this. This is like so high. It's probably as high as 2, probably even 3 huge apartments stacked on top of each other. This is so scary, right, Daddy?
Yeah, I can't do it.
Oh!
Another ride at Lake Compounce.
Bro, that's not even that scary.
Yeah, look at them. Look, they're spinning, right?
Well, they're supposed to spin. Team Kenzo all the way. Okay, guys, this is low-key kind of pretty easy.
That's scary. You and me both see.
Hey.
Oh, look at that. That's you.
Hey, stop ruining mine. Anyway. So this was pretty fun. So you should definitely go on it.
This is not my choice. No, I can't.
Okay, my dad's a scaredy cat, so that's that. Okay, guys, this is so high. It's kind of like bungee jumping. Looks really fun.
Look at those 2 guys hanging on the rope from both the sides. Oh my. Let's see how far they can go, okay?
That my dad's a scaredy cat.
I'm not that guy.
Team Kenzo! Team Dad or Team Kenzo? Team Kenzo, please. Team Kenzo!
Are you going to cut the rope? Are you going to cut the rope? Or let's see.
Are you saying that they're fat?
No, I'm saying that when they cut the rope or when they just like let them swing. Let's go and see.
Cha-cha.
No, yes, this one, Lulu. Woo! Whoa. Okay, there.
I want to do it.
Do it? I can't.
My dad's a scaredy cat, I guess. That's why Team Kenzo. Okay guys, just for extra info, we are in the oldest amusement park in the USA. If you wanna look at the water parks, then go down in the description below. This is all about the ride.
Hey, this is scary. Will you be able to ride this with me? Maybe?
Probably. Actually,
Look at this. Look,
I don't know. Maybe because
Whoa.
actually.
You want to do that? I would definitely can't do this again.
Oh come on! I'll be alone.
To the another ride in the Lake Compounce is the
Boulder Dash.
It's voted 5 times world best wooden roller coaster. Wow. That's every ride at Lake Compounce. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. If this helped you plan your visit, hit that like button and subscribe for more New England trips. I'll see you at the next park. Thank you again. You have a good day.